In this video I'm going to show you how to attach photos to an email. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up the Mail application and hit on that sign to start creating new email. Here where it says to, you have to enter your recipient. There you can enter subject, and next you can tap somewhere here at email body, and it gives you that toolbar where you can select the second one option, that's image. You can tap on it, and there you can select some images to attach them to this email. So I'll just tap at that image or on another. I can attach as much images as I want. So when I just make a single tap, the image has already been downloaded and attached to that email. So once I selected all the images that I want to attach, I can just hit and at that cross icon, and now I can continue creating that email. I can write there some text, and once I'm ready, I can hit a send button to send that email. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.